Yo, what is up everyone? It's Carlos Hernandez, your favorite YouTuber, and we're back again with another video. The reason why I decided to make this video is because my girlfriend actually is trying to find out what should be her second card. And I did some research and I actually think that this is probably the best beginner card for 2021. And I'm sure you guys who are interested in trying to get into the credit card game, because I'm pretty new to it as well, I think you guys would find this video very valuable, and it's something for you guys to do some research on your own. But today I'm going to be highlighting why I think this is the best card. I'm going to be going over the card, its benefits, the sign-up bonus that this card has, the main benefits and perks of this card, who this card is typically aimed at, the best ways to earn points through this card, which cards also compete within the same space and that are very comparable to the Chase Freedomflex card, and then to wrap up the whole video, just a big summary. That being said, make sure you guys watch the whole video. As this video goes on, the information that I'm going to be covering gets better and better, so make sure you guys stay for that. Alright, now let's start the video.
Here we go!
Chase is one of the best credit card issuers, and that's with good reason. Chase is known for their several rewards cards that offer generous bonus categories and provide excellent travel benefits. As you advance in the credit card game and become more knowledgeable about all things credit cards, especially with Chase, you can combine all these different credit cards that Chase offers to make a good credit card strategy. It goes without saying that this Chase Freedom Flex card is great for pairing with other cards in the Chase universe. So you may be asking, hey Carlos, you're super hot, super handsome, and super smart. Cringe. But who is this card for? Well, great question, person who's super smart and super handsome and looks like me. Just like the title of this video, the Freedom Flex is a great all-around card for beginners. For one, it's easier to be approved for than many of the top-tier cards that Chase and Amex offers. Plus, it offers a great couple benefits and it has no annual charge. And like I mentioned briefly, it's also great for pairing as part of a larger credit card strategy for people who are more knowledgeable about credit card churning and credit card points. The reason why I say this is because the rewards you earn with the Freedom Flex can be converted to ultimate rewards points, which can double their value when it's time to redeem those points. Another person who this card might be for is someone who wants a good option to finance a larger purchase, because this card comes with a 0% interest for the first 15 months on purchase. And obviously after that, it's going to have an extremely high interest rate, so that's why you always have to pay it off before then. One thing to notice as well is that this card, that the Chase Freedom Flex card, has a sign-up bonus. You'll earn a $200 cashback bonus after you spend $500 on purchases within the first 3 months of having this card. If you ask me, spending $500 within 3 months is pretty reasonable, and it's pretty awesome that they're going to be giving you $200 of that $500 that you spent back to you.
That was easy.
And like I mentioned earlier, if you have another Chase card, you can turn that $200 into ultimate Chase reward points and double its value up to $400. Alright guys, moving on to the best part of the video is the main perks and benefits. Keep in mind, as a no annual fee credit card, you normally shouldn't expect much in the way of perks and benefits. However, the Flex Freedom card does offer a few additional benefits to their card holders. First of all, they offer cell phone protection, and I'll put a quick description of what that entails here. Second, they have food delivery perks. As part of Chase's partnership with DoorDash, cardholders get 3 months of complimentary Dash Pass. And if you don't know what that is, don't worry, I got you. Dash Pass gives you free delivery on eligible orders and reduced service fees, which can make the cost of ordering food very expensive. One thing to remember here is after the 3 months have expired, Chase will give you the option of getting the rest of the year, which is 9 months, of discounted access for 50% off. But if you want to take advantage of Dash Pass and what they're doing with Chase, cardholders must register before December 31st, 2021. Alright guys, this is my favorite part of the video. This is how you can earn with this card. So I like points, I like rewards, I like the free stuff you can get by spending money that you were already going to spend regardless. So this is my jam right here. So when Chase launched this card, it took the original Chase category reward structure and made improvements to it. This new card is packed with earning opportunities across top spending categories. This is what makes it such a good option for both noobs looking for their first rewards card and credit card experts that are looking to round out their wallet. Here's a quick rundown of the bonus categories offered by Chase with the Freedomflex card. 5% on the first $1,500 spent on the rotating categories each quarter. By the way, you have to activate it for that to happen. You'll earn 5% on all Lyft rides through 2022. You'll earn 5% of travel booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards. You'll get 3% on dining, 3% on any purchases on drugstores or in drugstores, and 1% on all other purchases. If you take all of that into consideration and the fact that this is a no annual fee credit card, this is an insane card that Chase put together for people who are just trying to get into the credit card game and who are noobs and whatever, but this is an insane card nonetheless. Going into redeeming, just so you guys are on the same page as me, your rewards are earned in the form of points, which equal 1 cent each point. Now you may be asking, what other cards compete with the Chase Freedomflex card? Probably the most direct competitor to this card is actually a card within the same family tree, the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. The Chase Unlimited card gives the same sign-up bonus and reward structures, but it has one noticeable difference. Rather than earning 5% on rotating categories, you'll earn 1.5% cash back on all non-bonus spending. So for those of you who don't like the idea of activating quarterly categories just to make the most of their card, or for those of you who think they wouldn't be able to maximize those rotating categories, the Chase Freedom Unlimited might be a better option for you. So all in all, guys, just a quick summary. I truly recommend this card to beginners because of all the previous things I mentioned, especially the benefits and the perks and the sign-up bonus. It's crazy. So to sum this all up, the Chase Freedomflex card is a very solid cashback card that offers an impressive reward structure and valuable, at the same time easy to achieve sign-up bonus, especially considering that this is a no annual fee credit card. So whether you're a credit card noob or you're a credit card guru, both sides of the spectrum can get a lot of value out of this card. And it's definitely worth considering adding to your wallet, if not definitely getting. So that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you watched all the way through, you're my homie. Really appreciate you. Make sure you like and subscribe. I think I already said that in the beginning of this video. But if you guys like these credit card reviews, make sure you comment down below. Make sure you comment what credit cards you want me to review next. You know, I'm getting into this, so it's very informational for me, and I hope I can give you guys some information back. Thank you guys for watching. Peace, and I'll see you guys next time.
Hold up.
Guys, if you don't know, WeBull will be giving you 2 free stocks when you sign up and deposit your first $100, with any of these stocks being valued up to $1,400. If you're not signed up already, make sure to use my link down in the description. Also, you'll get $10 worth of Bitcoin on Coinbase when you buy or sell your first $100 worth of Bitcoin. Link is also down in the description.